This is my second video on TradingView Mastery course. And in this TradingView is an important tool in investing journey for myself, whether I'm trading or investing. If it's for the same, if you are also investing in stock market, you should get benefited from this cloud-based charting tool, which is a must-have and one of my favorite tool. So in this video, it's gonna be short, crisp, to the point. And we're gonna create a brand new account in TradingView. And all the features which I'm going to share will be mostly free, and at the end I'm going to share with you what benefit it's going to make if you want to make a payment to it or create a paid subscription. And if you are already in middle of the journey, I would highly recommend to consider that, because that will speed fast your trading journey or investing journey. And if you are thinking, or if you are sitting on the sideline and watching stock market, I think still this tool can be really, really helpful, because just one feature, which I'm going to share at the end, can transform your understanding to the next level. So let's get started in this journey. So first thing first, you need to create an account, and this video's purpose is to create an account. So head to the Chrome browser or any browser which you are using and type in https://sbhatia.co/tradingview, and this is my affiliate link. And you don't have to make any payments. Just if you in future get benefited from this training, or you decide to take it to your journey into the next level, you will be ended up getting a $30 free voucher from TradingView. So once you click on it, it'll open a page like this, which is basically explains you all the different plans they have. You don't have to make any payment. And at this point, we are talking about completely a free account. So you can use a sign up here, or if you go to tradingview.com, you also get this page where you have, let me quickly go into the option. So if you go in the sign up option, you can just simply click on sign up, and it'll open up the page which gives you an option to sign up using Google account, Facebook account, Twitter account, Yahoo account, Apple account, LinkedIn account, or through an email. So I decide today to log in with the email account. So once I click on it, it'll give you option to log in with your account. I got many accounts, so for this one I have created a separate one, Peaceful Weekend Investing, and which is what I love to do, and gmail.com. And at this point I will just type in my password. You can follow along. This is completely follow on video. And once you enter the password, you can agree on the terms and conditions. You can read through it, and you will ask for the I'm not a robot bicycle. It's annoying, I know that, but it's still worth it because it protects your account. And let's see whether I'm doing the right thing here. And this is just gonna take few minutes and we will be up and running. So seems like it is there, and again and again. Let's see. Oh wow. So it is a bit annoying, but traffic lights here. All right, this seems like 1, 2, and there. There we go. I'm not a robot. So you create an account. So it says a username, you only will change this public username once. So that's fine. Which field? Okay. So I will say you can create your. So I'll create the Peaceful Weekend Investing, or I can say my name, Shivendra Bhatia, and I create an account. Okay. It says that only English, no underscore. So I'll remain the same. Unfortunately, it's going to ask me again. Sorry about that. Let's do that. Stairs. Okay, that was easy. And now you have account is active. I don't want to save it. So you're gonna get 14 days. You have it, and you can check your email address. You should be able to get that. So I have the email address open. Let's see whether I've received it. There we got. The email address has come. So confirm your email address. I click on it and say activate account. So here we go. You might pay attention. You might be on the wrong account. You already have this. It says okay, got it, and you can set up your details. Because I already have another account called Compounding Central, and I like to opt out from the marketing mails, so you can do that. You can choose your photograph, and you continue. There we got just our account set up, and you got all your details here with profile settings, which is where it starts giving you the watch list, all that I want to share with you now. So you got your if you're going to share your ideas, it's going to show you here, and within a minute you are able to create this account. Obviously a little bit more than a minute, but at least you have your account set up, and you can upgrade in future using that. But at this point the objective was you got account, and once in future if you decided you refer your friends, you can also further refer to your friends, and you will be able to get paid, and you can create this account. So this is option given as a refer a friend, and now we have a first account created. Yahoo! So now with this you can set up your account, basic free account. You can upgrade here, any notifications and ideas will have. Okay, so this is all what we wanted to achieve today, just creating a brand new account. Now coming to the important bit, and if you are already set up this account, congratulations, pat on your back, because this is the first step, and now you have heaps of options open up for you completely free with this cloud-based charting tool. And I will just show you top 3 tips which will help you to get started. I mentioned to you at the start of the video that this is really helpful. As soon as I get up in the morning, or I'm just on the train or a bus going to work, I just go and look at it, and I get a complete view of different market. Okay, so and during the entire course I'm going to start sharing with you the pro tips. And if you're liking our contents, do subscribe to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel, and also hit the notification bell and like button so you get notified similar videos as and when I launch. And my plan is to every Sunday you find one video on TradingView specifically going forward, and that will enrich your journey in this making. My goal is making you zero to hero in TradingView. Okay, let's get started. So I'll share with you the pro tip. So once you go in TradingView, okay, and just simply type in as a products, and you got a heat map. Okay, and I'm going to share with you the details later on. But then heat map has stocks, cryptos. So just click on these stocks. Now this is whichever market you're tracking, whether it's NASDAQ, US, Australia, India, or whichever markets. You got heaps of market, including Abu Dhabi has been recently added. So let's say, for example, India, Nifty, right? So this is Nifty free index. You just want to know what happened by market cap, by number of employees, by dividend yield. You can exactly get which companies are giving you the most dividends, right? So this is by dividend yields. So you can say, I want to know only 3% dividend yield plus, so you will be able to get that. This is by performance. So you can look at the performance by weekly. Okay, so like for example, I want it sorted by market cap, or I want size by like for example P ratio, right? So you will be able to group them by sector, and you'll be able to, and you'll be getting this because it's a free account, so you'll be getting this ad. So don't worry about that. Just simply close it, and it is nicely showing you all of that. But don't worry. This is first pro tip. Just to have a look at it. If what you do is just simply come in here, and if you're looking at Nasdaq and you want to see what's the performance of it by market cap, then you will exactly know what has happened. For technology services, it's all green. Then you got a electronic technology where Apple is there. It was up 5.45% last week, and I'm looking at weekly, right? And you can see it with relative volume and stuff like that. But absolutely, just it is just to give you a sense of what does it look like. Get yourself familiarized with that, and that will help you to some extent where the market is moving. And secondly, if you go in here, something called second tip. This is a pro second tip where you got snaps. Snaps is basically nothing but it gives you a very quick market news without the fluff, and keep informed with our daily stock and crypto snapshots. Like for example, I just want to know what stocks. I can simply click on it, and you can select which market you want to do specifically, and you will get snap view, and you can subscribe to it, and you'll get an email as well. Just if you go it on the mobile app, it is much more easier. Like Roblox fails to level up, so they basically, you can just quickly look at it as a gaming platform. So this is a beautiful tool, and in terms of indices, you can also have a quick view on what's happening. Inflation is flattening. Okay, so this is what quite helpful, because these are most important news you should be aware of it for that particular day. And I just wanted to wrap up this video. Hope this was useful. So we have created an account. In next video, we're gonna start looking at it, how to set up your charts, and how to look at the different. We'll go through different features on UI and how to configure your charts and settings once for all. And I'm gonna share with you what the best format which I like the most, and then we're gonna talk about some important tips as well. So looking forward to see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.